Hello mga motorista and welcome to another episode of Motorista Adventures. For this video, we have here the Yaris Cross G variant na Scarlett SE. Now kung interesado kayo malaman yung mga features and specs nito as well as the pricing, watch this video. So maraming salamat sa ating mga recurring subscribers and sa mga bagong subscribers natin, huwag kalimutan mag-press ng subscribe button. And also, you can also follow me on Facebook. Mayroon din tayong uploads doon katulad ng YouTube natin na channel. Katulad din ng YouTube natin na channel. So, follow me on Facebook as well. So, wag nating patagalin pa mga motorista. Let's go over the specs, features, and everything there is to know about this Yaris Cross. Ito yung ating Yaris Cross. This is the Yaris Cross G model Scarlett SE na color. As you can see, same ito ng color dun sa ating V variant, but hindi siya two-tone color. So kung inaakala nyo na two-tone to, nagkakamali kayo kasi yung ating blacked out part lang here mga motorista is nasa ating A pillar, no? And yung ating roofline is same color nasa atin. Simulan natin yung specs natin dito sa harapan ng ating Yaris Cross. And as you can see mga motorista, really like the design of this all-new model from Toyota, and kita nyo naman, it's very different from the Toyota Vios na sedan version nito. This is a step up in terms of design sa Toyota from recent years mga motorista, and this is better looking in my opinion than the Toyota Corolla Cross. Right, so let's start the features dito sa harap. No, kita nyo naman, you have that parang triangle shape na headlight with those blacked out parts dito sa ilalim na part ng headlight natin, and then everything no sa V variant andito sa ating G variant. So, number one dyan is yung ating projector, LED headlights. Meron din yan dito sa ating G variant. And also, mga motorista, LED yung DRLs natin, LED yung turn signal lights natin. Dito naman sa mga sides natin, kita nyo naman, we have your LED fog lights. I really like the fog light positioning kasi nasa taasan siya na part. It's not on the bottom of the bumper. And also, you have front parking sensors for this entry-level G variant. You have this parang slots here for your air na papasok sa ating engine bay. And you have your Toyota logo here. Hindi siya covered in glass. It's just normal Toyota logo. And right at the bottom, you don't have a painted surface on the bottom as well. It is a black plastic affair. Now, dito naman sa side ng ating Yaris Cross, you can definitely see na this is a very well-rounded crossover SUV from Toyota. Kita nyo naman yung mga black plastic claddings and yung mugs natin, no? It is the same for all the models, so hindi ka missing out on the rim size and the tire size. Parehas lang sila sa lahat ng model. That's really good. And yung ating tires is a Bridgestone Turanza siya mga motorista, T005A pa din. And then dito naman sa ating ilalim na part, yung different lang dito is wala siyang silver part dun sa ilalim. Okay? And then yung side mirrors natin, meron pa din tayong LED repeaters. You can see na you have chrome parts here. Ayan, sa ilalim ng door seals. And dito sa ating door handles is naka-smart entry pa din tayo. Nothing changed from the V model. Dito naman sa taasan na part, you can also see mga motorista na we have roof rail here and yung ating fin-type antenna. Now, one thing that's missing here when it comes to the equipment dito sa labas is yung ating paddle lights dito and also the camera. Kasi wala tong 360 camera. Kita nyo din na meron tayong silver finish here. You have a separate window dito sa likuran na part. You can see your tires and rims and also disc brake din siya. Hindi siya ventilated yung disc dito sa likuran na part. Only the front ones are ventilated. And when it comes to the suspension setup, walang changes in suspension settings from the G to the S model HEV. So kita nyo naman na McPherson struts tayo sa harap and torsion beam setup sa likuran. Right, dito sa likod ng ating Yaris Cross, kita nyo naman mga motorista na we have lots of things here na standard equipment even though this is not the mid-model or the top-of-the-line model. So isa na sa mga example dyan is yung ating naka-shark fin antenna na tayo or fin-type antenna sa taas. You can also see na meron tayong ano dito, no? Meron tayong integrated na spoiler. Ayan, and then you have your high mount stoplight. Meron tayong rear defoggers. Meron tayong rear wipers, and we also have this really nice sloping design sa kanyang likuran na part. Kita nyo din yung ating taillights are very aggressive and very sharp looking mga motorista with those pointy tips, no? And all of the lighting dito sa likod natin is all LED. Nothing different there from the mid and top spec models of the Yaris Cross lineup. Kita na din yung ating Toyota badge. So dito naman sa ilalim na part, meron tayong dalawang parking sensors, and yung pinakailalim natin is parang meron siyang diffuser dito but it's unpainted, and then meron din tayong reflectors underneath. Ngayon naman mga motorista, buksan natin yung likuran ng ating Yaris Cross, no? As you can see, meron tayong dito, hawakan, and then ayun, meron siyang dito mga motorista, no, button. You can press it, no, to open the tailgate, and meron pa tayong isang dimple dito, no, to lock and unlock the rear tailgate. Okay, and then you have your reverse camera. Now, once we let go of the tailgate, kita nyo naman hindi siya yung ating powered tailgate na nasa V model. That's the compromise. And then meron tayong hawakan dito na part sa taasan. And in terms of equipment dito sa likuran, parehas lang sila sa ating V model, no? Meron pa din tayong tonneau cover, hindi siya tinanggalan ni Toyota. LED pa din yung dome lights natin. You still have your hooks for cargo, and then dual level pa din yung ating tray dito sa taasan na part. And sa ilalim naman, kita nyo din na we also get your spare tire na space saver. So mga motorista, let's talk about the pricing sa ating Yaris Cross. This Yaris right here is the Scarlet SE color. Merong ding available na greenish gunmetal and also Attitude Black Mica. So tatlo yung options mo when it comes to the color. So any color sa tatlong color na yun na sinabi ko, same price lang sila, 1,199,000 pesos. Alright mga motorista, so ito yung engine ng ating Toyota Yaris Cross. This is the 2NR VE engine. So VEX yung ating hybrid variant, and then itong mga normally aspirated variant natin is VE. So this is a 1.5 liter engine, 4-cylinder double overhead cam. So very typical engine from Toyota. This is the same engine that's on the Toyota Vios. So ilalagay ko yung ating power figures right now. And yung ating transmission is a CVT transmission. So what can you see dito sa engine bay ng ating G model? Basically, the same lang din sa V model kasi these are the same engines, by the way. So you can see your battery here, your air box dito, dyan mo papalitan yung air filter. So kita nyo din yung ating fan, radiator fan natin as andon, electric type siya. And then isa lang siya na radiator. On one side lang, no, dito. Nagsa-start dito yung ating radiator. And then ito yung ABS module natin, nasa likuran na part. So very serviceable yung engine ni Toyota as always. And then very easy to maintain kasi you have space, no, to do your maintenance without any hassle. And then kita nyo din yung ating line, no, for your AC. Nandito din siya. Okay? So this engine also is a double overhead cam setup and dual variable valve timing with intelligence. Same lang sila ng door cards doon sa ating V model. Now, one thing that's changed here is mas less yung mga accents dito. Ito, this is just lines. Hindi na siya yung parang merong ambient lighting. Although parehas lang to mga motorista, no, this is still a gloss finish here. And also, lahat ng switches natin is the same sa ating models. Dito naman din, you have your soft touch leather padded armrest. Meron din tayong cup holders dito or bottle holders. And you have your speakers dito and dito. So, meron kang 6 speakers dito sa loob ng ating Yaris Cross. Now, moving on sa ating seats, no, as you can see, hindi na siya electronic powered seats unlike the V model. So, ngayon, manual seat siya. But, I really like it kasi meron pa din adjustment for the height. So, hindi naman nila tinanggal yung height adjustment. In my opinion, this is a quicker way to get your driving position than the electric seats, no, sa ating V variant. Another thing that's changed here is yung seats natin. Instead of the leather seat, you get this cloth material seat here, and then you have still that blue stitching and silver stitching, and then malambot pa din yung maupuan natin. Good bolsters on the side pa din mga motorista. That's really good. Dito naman sa side natin, you can clearly see na you still have this parang leather part here. Pa din tayong fabric material here na blue color. Akala mo ambient lighting, hindi naman. And then you have here your vents for your air conditioning, and then here, no, meron lang tayong mas maraming blank switches here instead of your automatic high beams, your yung mga advanced driver aids, wala na mga buttons here. Traction control lang and yung ating front and rear parking sensors. And right down below, adjustment pa din sa ating high beams is meron siya. Meron pa din tayong lalagyan ng coins dito, and yung ating steering wheel is adjustable din siya mga motorista. It is tilt and telescope pa din. Sarado natin yung pinto. Start natin yung engine. Hello, may nakalagay hello mga motorista. Pati yung date, and then ito yung ating speedometer right here on the side. Now ito yung dashboard ng ating Yaris Cross, no. So very similar sila sa Raze na interior kasi yung ating air vents, no, or yung forma ng ating dash is paharap sa driver side natin. Driver centric yung ating dashboard design. So I'm really glad mga motorista na yung ating infotainment system is same lang din ng size dun sa ating Raze na V model. And you can see here that you still have wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, radio, Bluetooth, and settings. Okay, parehas lang yan dun sa kabilang sasakyan. Pati na din dito, you still have all of these mga motorista na information. So you have your outside temperature, 36 degrees, water temperature, voltage natin sa battery. So you can keep track of the battery health. And also you have your tilt angle and also your attitude. Ayan, 10 meters tayo from sea level. You also have your compass. So right now we're facing 145 degrees southeast. Okay, and then yung ating quality ng ating screen still really good. Wala lang tong 360 camera. So kung i-reverse natin siya, ayan, reverse camera lang. And what I like is meron pa din siyang guidelines sa kanyang camera. Okay, bike natin sa park. And yeah, wala siyang ambient lighting na feature right here. But I really like the wireless CarPlay capability. Dito naman sa ating steering wheel, napakagaan niya mga motorista because it is an EPS steering wheel. And also, leather pa din yung ating steering wheel. Yung steering wheel natin is very Daihatsu mga motorista. You can see your controls here for the screen right there on the front. Now, I really like this screen. This is an 8-inch display dito. And it's highly customizable. Pati yung signal lights, pwede mong i-customize kung gaano ka-loud yung ating turn signal lights, which is really good. And then also, you have your controls here, up and down, enter, trip meters natin na button. You can change from trip A to trip B to odometer. Back button natin, you have your voice command button or your microphone button kung meron kang Apple CarPlay, si Siri. Sa kabilang side, instead of getting the cruise control features na merong adaptive, you just have your controls, no, for your audio, next mode, and then call button dito. Wala tayong drive modes for this Yaris Cross sa base model variant nila. So I think, no, as standard, it is programmed to normal mode na siguro. And then right here mga motorista sa ating screen, as you can see, you have your clock sa taas na part, and then you have your rev counter on this side. And ngayon naka-settings tayo mga motorista, no? So you have your warning signs here, you have your clock also, no, aside sa ating speedometer, and then you have your average fuel consumption din, and then your yung ating outside temperature natin is clearly indicated here at 36 degrees. You have your gear position indicator, you have the digital speedometer, and then also your fuel gauge, no? Separate yan sa ating screen dito sa side. Okay? And then also yung ating mga stocks here is standard Toyota stock. So wala siyang, so basic lang siya. So meron siyang park, and then yung main beam and high beam is pa forward, and then yung ating passing. Okay? Sa kabilang side naman is intermittent wipers. You have 3 adjustments for the interval. Meron din tayong adjustment for the wipers sa likuran natin. Pwede kang mag-spray ng water din sa likod, and then it also gets intermittent function. Now, dito sa ating mga vents, meron tayong button for your hazards, and then you have your glossy part here or piano black material dito na part. And dito din mga motorista, you can see na we have here your so kita nyo din mga motorista na very familiar Daihatsu na mga parts here, but this is like a higher quality than the other Daihatsu products that they have dito sa Toyota. So kita nyo naman, you have your fan speed here na knob, and then yung temperature natin is also a knob. Digital yung ating indication sa ating display. And then also you have your AC, recirculation, you have your rear fogger. Dito sa ilalim na part, you can clearly see na meron tayong engine start stop button here. Type-C USB pa din, and then USB Type-A. So you have 3 indicators mga motorista for our seatbelt reminder. And then meron pa din tayong wireless charger, no? Hindi nawawala yung wireless charger kahit G siya. And then meron pa din tayong part here na silver finish and design dito sa side. Na yung ating shifter is a CVT, so park, reverse, neutral, drive. And kung gusto mong plus and minus, andun siya sa kabilang side. So plus, change gear up is paharap, and then palikod naman yung ating minus. Okay, balik natin sa park. Mayroon pa din tayong electronic parking brake with auto hold for the G variant, and we have this leather material din dito. Now, yung ating part here is yung adjustable natin na mga cup holders. I really like it. Pwede bottle, pwede cup. Meron siyang mga support dito. So kung i-erect mo to mga motorista, kita nyo naman na well supported yung mga drinks mo. Dito naman sa ating armrest, leather siya. And then kung bubuksan mo siya, meron siyang 12 volt auxiliary outlet dito. But unfortunately, mababaw lang siya. Hindi siya malalim yung ating bin dito sa ating center console. So ito yung ating storage area din dito sa harapan ng passenger side, and as you can see mga motorista, decent naman yung ating size. Then you have LED pa din sa ating mga dome lights, and kita nyo din na meron pa din tayong LED na light dito sa ating vanity mirror and sunshade, and then pati na din dito sa passenger side. Dito din is you have your Toyota's included na dash cameras. You don't need to buy a dash camera, andito siya included with the price. Okay, and napakaganda kasi stock na installed na siya. Okay, so yung ating interior is black on black mga motorista, and by the way, meron din tayong LED na dome lights dito sa ating second row. So dito naman sa likod ng ating Yaris Cross, you can definitely see na hindi naman nag-cut ng corner si Toyota when it comes to the features here. Meron ka pa ding armrest with cup holders, and also yung downgrade lang sa ating V model is again the seats are cloth seats, hindi siya leather. Meron pa din tayong Isofix anchor points for the seats, and you have seat belts for all the passengers dito kahit center passenger. And maliit lang din yung tunnel natin dito sa ating floor. Immediately pagpasok mo, kita nyo na decent yung space here, well supported naman yung ating mga thigh. Kita nyo din na meron tayong pockets dito, maluwag yung ating tow room, and sa kabilang side din meron tayong pockets mga motorista. Ayan. And dito sa ilalim na part, definitely one thing I really like about all the Yaris Cross is meron siyang rear air vents, no? Although yung air vents natin will come from the front, sa ilalim na part meron tayong USB Type-C na dalawa, so it is quite modern, and meron siyang backlight. You can also fold your seats dito sa likuran mga motorista to make space, no, for more stuff. So kung gusto mo mong kumarga ng mga habang items, you can do it because the seats do fold dito sa second row. Yung kagandahan din niya is pwede mo din siyang i-recline mga motorista, no? So once you pagkatapos mong i-fold siya, lagay mo lang dito, ito yung first level. Okay? And then hawakan mo to, hilahin lang, and then meron ka pang isang level na medyo mas recline kaysa dun sa first level, which is good. Now in terms of basic safety features, kompleto na din siya. Meron tayong front and rear parking sensors, meron din tayong 7 airbags, ABS, EBD, traction control, stability control, and hill start assist. So you're not missing on anything basic, no, na mga safety aids. Now, for advanced driver aids or Toyota Safety Sense, wala siya mga motorista. You have to go for the V model to get Toyota Safety Sense, and additional dyan is yung mga ambient lighting natin and the 360-degree view camera. Right, so ayan yung ating Yaris Cross na G model mga motorista. What do you think, no? Maraming salamat for viewing this video. Do like, again, subscribe, and share our videos to more people na naghahanap ng mga sasakyan. And also, pati na din yung ating Facebook page, follow na din. Maraming salamat, and I'll see you on the next episode mga motorista.